Welcome to B-TEK Skills. In this video, I will show you how to perform a truck in and out transaction using the gallery mode. When using the gallery mode, first we have to add trucks to our database. Start by pressing the B-TEK button till it turns red. Enter the password 2050, then press enter. We're going to go to page 15 of 15. I've already added trucks to my database, but if you did not, press the Add Truck button to add a new one. Or you can press the Edit Truck to edit existing trucks in the database. The different truck modes can be selected at the bottom. We have the gallery mode, which we're demonstrating, or there's Keyed, which is the manual truck entry mode. Now that our trucks are in the database, let's exit out. We can then have a truck pull onto the scale. This can be a lightweight or a heavyweight. If it was the lightweight and you needed to update the existing truck in the database, we would press Update Tare. For this one, let's weigh the truck, and we already have a tare weight entered for our B-TEK trucks. So you'll see a confirmation screen appears showing our truck ID, our inbound weight, our outbound weight, net weight in pounds, and net weight in tons. For this one, our stored tare weight was 30,000 pounds. So to print our outbound ticket, press OK. So if we have a brand new truck that's in our database and we do not currently have a stored tare, we can click the Update Tare when the truck drives onto the scale for the first time. So tap Update Tare, then select the truck that you do not have a truck tare for, or that you want to update the tare. It shows the weight, and we click OK. The truck can then go off of the scale and load. And when he returns, we'll press the Weigh Truck button. Select the IV trucking. It'll then give us our truck ID, inbound and outbound weights, and when we click OK, it will start to print. The truck can then exit the scale. So let's say that we want to weigh a truck that is not in our database. We can set up a miscellaneous truck ID. So the miscellaneous truck pulls onto the scale. We press Weigh Truck. Select our miscellaneous truck ID. It then gives us an inbound weight. We'll put a ticket into the printer. We'll then press OK. So the inbound ticket prints. The truck can then leave the scale, load or unload. When they return, we'll put our ticket back in, select Weigh Truck, select Miscellaneous Truck. It will calculate our inbound weight, outbound weight, and net weight in tons. You can also add cards to automate your process. Add customers. Add haulers to organize your trucks. And you can also add products. B-TEK also has the ability to customize anything special to your application.